Hi, this is Veti from thesaunaheater.com. Today we are here at Bathing Distribution Center in Chicago, and behind me I have the magnificent SaunaLife G6 outdoor sauna, also known as the Saunum Classic in Europe. When you get one of these saunas to yourself, this really comes in fully assembled. So it shows to your yard just like this, and the only thing you need to do is run a few wires and you are ready to go. The sauna structure is made out of Nordic premium spruce, and the inside is made out of furniture grade premium alder. When it comes to the measurements of this SaunaLife G6 prefabricated sauna, is around 6.5 feet long, 7 feet wide and 8 feet high. So it's really a spacious sauna that can fit in 4 people quite comfortably, or even up to 5 bathers if you sit a little bit more tightly. SaunaLife G6 has around 7 inches thick walls and dual-pane windows and dual-pane door, which means that the inside of this sauna is actually very quiet, even if you would have quite a lot of noise outdoors. This sauna is also fully insulated, which makes it very energy efficient, and that insulation also adds into the sound dampening and will make the sauna environment really quiet. The sauna is actually very well protected from all the elements. It has a rainwater management system on the roof, making sure that no water will stay on the roof of the sauna. And this can handle even the roughest of conditions that we have in Finland and Estonia during the winter. So it's very well equipped for the American weather, whether you live in Alaska or in Texas. Something you will notice about the interior construction of this sauna is that there is no visible fasteners, and the benches and walls and everything is actually really smooth since it's made out of that alder. Since this sauna has 2 levels of benches, you will be sitting a little bit higher from the sauna heater, which is a good basis for any sauna experience. We typically recommend you to get the Saunum Air heater with this sauna, since it's also called the Saunum Classic and designed for the Saunum sauna experience. When it comes to the ventilation of this sauna, we have the intake vent down below the sauna heater here on the left side, and then we have the exhaust vent on the opposite corner on the right side, so the air will definitely be moving very well inside this SaunaLife G6. This sauna has a drainage system for exiting the water also from inside the sauna, in case you happen to throw a lot of water on the sauna heater. Maybe you miss your target, maybe you sweat a lot, and the sauna is also very easy to clean when you can use the drain that is located under the sauna heater itself. You just have to spray some water onto the floor of the sauna, and off the drain it goes out of the SaunaLife G6. This sauna has 120 volt low voltage lighting that has an app-based control system, meaning that you can control the lighting through an app on your phone as long as your sauna is in an area that has Wi-Fi connection. In case you don't have the Wi-Fi connection or you don't want to use the app-based control for the lighting, you can also use the handheld remote control that you will find from the control center of the sauna located on the right side of the building. Even though the sauna comes fully assembled, there are some things you need to take into consideration. This sauna needs a leveled and very stable foundation under it, and it needs to be at least 3 inches off the ground. You also need 240 volt one-phase line run to the sauna heater itself, and then that 120 volt line run for the lighting. So those are the important things to take into consideration when thinking about placing this sauna onto your yard, balcony or to your terrace. The SaunaLife G6 requires a 10 kW sauna heater, so 10 kilowatt heater. If you really don't want to get the Saunum experience that we recommend, your other options would include something like the Harvia Virta HL110E or the Home Hive 10.5 kW electric sauna heater. However, we strongly recommend the Saunum Air L10 with this sauna. It gives you more options to create a very humid and little bit lower temperature sauna experience without taking anything away. So you don't have to use the air equalizing technology, and you can still heat up this room to 195 degrees Fahrenheit and have that very hot sauna effect for yourself. But if you want to bring in, let's say, your kids, and you want to have a little bit more humid and a little bit more friendly environment that you can sit in for a longer time, the Saunum Air L will give you the option to provide that experience to your friends and family. So Saunum makes the sauna a little bit more social experience, and it allows you to stay there for a longer time without having to actually suffer from the high temperatures. But it doesn't take that option away, as said. So you don't need to use the air equalizer. You can use the Saunum heater as any other heater if you want to. Whenever you are ready to get the SaunaLife G6 for yourself, you can contact us at thesaunaheater.com and we will get everything set up for you. Typically, these SaunaLife G6s are stocked here in Chicago, and when that is the case, you will get your sauna delivered to your driveway in approximately 3 weeks after ordering. However, I recommend that you verify the stock levels and the details when getting your SaunaLife from us before moving ahead and purchasing one to yourself. You can call us at 725-777-5484. This was Veeti from thesaunaheater.com. Thank you for watching. Comment any questions you have down below. See ya!